this is Alfie. He's about 5 years old. He came to us in April and he was very overweight. He was about 78 kilos, which is one of the largest dogs I've ever seen here. He couldn't walk at all. He had trouble even getting up off his back legs just to go to the toilet. He started gradually walking with the help of squeaky toys because they're his favourite thing, and he'll follow them anywhere, or food obviously, because he's very used to having lots of food in his big fat belly. Yes, but he's doing very well now. He's down to just under 50 kilograms. He's got a few lumps and bumps that need to come off him, which the vet's happy to do now he's lost all this weight. And we're just hoping to find a fabulous home for him now. But he's doing so much better than he was, and he's hoping to lose a little bit more weight as well, and just find a loving home where someone will give him lots of cuddles but not too much food. Good boy, what you got? Squeaky toy! Oh.